Everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to get dark step in Blox Fruits first and second C. So let me tell you, you can find and purchase it from the dark step teacher, and if we talk about it in details, so dark step is a leg based fighting style obtainable in first C or any other Cs. If the player activates aura while dark step is equipped, the aura will appear on the player's legs instead of their arms. This is entirely visual and provides no additional buffs compared to aura on the arms in the same age. So dark step can be learned for $150,000 from the dark step teacher and 300 plus mastery. Dark step is one of the requirements to obtain superhuman in second C and third C, and dark step can be upgraded to death step in second C or third C. And the pros are good for farming in the first C, currently the cheapest fighting style in the gaming excluding combat, which is automatically given for free upon joining. All moves have AoE and low mastery requirements. So first C, the location is pirate village, spatially in a small room between some houses, and on the second C the location is hot and cold near the volcano. So once you learn dark step, it cannot be taken away. If you want to switch fighting styles, you will need to find another style to learn. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.